guys, it's day 2. Bago ang lahat, breakfast muna tayo kasi kailangan natin ng power para sa Universal Studios.
Yay! Yung kinuha nga pala naming hotel dito ay kasama na ang breakfast. Kaya hindi na problema, bababa na lang at mamimili ka na kung anong gusto mong kainin. Sulit na sulit kasi maraming pagpipilian.
Yan, ready na ang ating breakfast. Actually, maraming selection. Marami pa dun. Kaya lang, hindi ko na siya kayang tikman lahat. Kinuha ko lang muna yung familiar items para naman hindi sayang yung pagkain. It's going to be a big meal. We didn't realize na kasama pala sa hotel package kasi yung in-expect namin this morning pupunta kami sa labas para subukan yung traditional breakfast. Pero kasama pala siya sa hotel package namin. Kaya buffet breakfast siya. It's a good selection of food, lalo na kapag gusto mo ng healthy na breakfast at saka maraming selection. Traditional American, mixed Singaporean, Malaysian, maraming selection. Actually itong porridge na ginawa ko, ayan, is ikaw ang magko-customize, so hindi ko pa alam kung anong lasa. Tikman natin yung chicken sausage. Nothing special, parang yung mga nakakain lang natin na sausage. So, kain muna kami guys. I'll see you later in Universal Studios.
Pagkatapos na ng breakfast, konting ayos lang. Tapos, diretso na kami sa Universal Studios. At nga pala mga kabaks, madali lang mag-commute dito sa Singapore. Google Map lang ang katapat. Sa katunayan nga, lahat ng pinuntahan namin ay kung hindi bus, ay tren ang sinasakyan namin.
Gibraltar, are you okay? So finally, we arrived now here in Universal Studios. We're gonna check in soon, tapos magsisimula na tayong mag-ride. And here comes the famous icon or landmark in Universal Studios.
At syempre, bago ang lahat, kailangan natin magpa-picture muna dyan.
Here we are in Universal Studios.
Ayan, pagkatapos ng ticket ay pumasok na kami at talaga namang nakakamangha dahil para kang pumapasok sa ibang dimensyon ng mundo.
We're finally inside, so our adventure begins. Hindi ko alam kung nakikita niya sa camera, pero mainit pero nag-i-snow.
At para sa aming unang ride, susubukan namin itong Spaghetti Space Chase. Ang palatandaan ko nga pala kung extreme o hindi ang ride na to is kung pinayagan nila si Ayla, which is only 5 years old. At dahil kasama si Ayla, ibig sabihin hindi siya ganun ka-extreme.
Wow, this is so cool! We're going to space! Wow!
talaga namang sulit at recommended for kids.
Now, we're going to try the Transformers. This is going to be exciting. Nasubukan ko na ito dati. Gusto ko subukan ulit. Sulit ang Express, guys. Tingnan nyo, wala kaming pila-pila. Basta pasok nyo ng pasok. So, I highly recommend na pag kumuha kayo ng ticket, Express.
This is going to be a 3D ride. Meron kaming 3D class. I don't know what will
Register in the camera, pero tingnan natin maya-maya.
Fortunately, bawal palang filming. So, sorry guys.
After the ride, merong souvenir shop. Tapos, pwede ka rin magpa-picture dito sa robot na mascot nila.
What can you say about your Transformer ride?
It's so good. It's not even scary.
Did you get scared, Ayla? No? You like it?
That's my favorite. I thought.
Sunod naman na ride namin itong Damami. Medyo extreme to mga guys, kaya hindi pwede ang mga batang maliliit. Roller coaster siya sa madilim na lugar, tapos nakakatakot, nakakagulat, mabilis. Hindi nga lang pwede mag-video, kaya sorry.
Experience, guys.
It's so fun and scary.
This is scary. I don't want it. Lucas is so brave.
At dahil nainggit si Ayla, hanap naman kami ng rides na pambata. At napunta kami dito sa Jurassic World.
We're getting kidnapped by...
So Lucas and I are riding a very boring dinosaur. Lucas is so
We're
bored.
getting kidnapped by boring dinosaurs.
Lucas is enjoying. Paikot-ikot lang kami ngayon. Paikot-ikot, pataas, pababa, pataas, pababa. Nakakahilo.
Meron ding mini park itong Dinosaur World, kaya pwedeng maglakad-lakad tapos magpa-picture. Next stop, Far Far Away Land.
And we're going now inside the castle. So good. Meron kaming 3D classes, so I think this is a 3D adventure again. This is going to be a 3D movie. Nakatakot yung sound dito.
Mirror on the wall. I know it's a gingerbread man.
As expected, 3D movie siya, kaya lang bawal tayo mag-film.
Lucas, what do you think about that movie?
Bad.
Anong bad? Did you enjoy it?
So talagang maraming extreme roller coaster rides dito sa Universal Studios, kaya lang hindi na para sa amin yan. Pero sinubukan niya ni Joyce saka ni Zayn.
At dahil gutom na kami, kailangan na talaga namin mag-lunch. Dito kami ngayon kakain.
So hindi problema ang pagkain dito, maraming pagpipilian. Meron pa silang rice tapos noodles.
It's good, Zayan. It's good. What about your noodles, Lucas? It's good? Huh? Lucas, it's good? Tignan natin kung anong lasa nito. Hindi ko alam kung anong pansit ko, pero tignan natin. Sarap!
The rice
Okay, let's go for another, to try another rides. Hindi mabilis.
So guys, papakita ko lang kung wala kang express ticket, ganito kahabang pila at ganito kadami ang tao. Kaya talagang hindi sulit ang one day mo kung hindi ka kukuha ng express ticket.
Kayo, sa harap kami. Dito ka, dito ka. Dalawa kayo.
That is a good ride. Recommended pambata. Hindi siya masyadong extreme. Pero nakakaliw.
That was so fun.
At habang nagpapahinga, ikot-ikot muna kami sa mga souvenir shops.
It's only 3 o'clock pero halos tapos na namin lahat ng rides. Yun ang kagandahan ng Express. Kaya if you're coming here for the first time, I recommend na talagang pag-ipunan yung Express Pass kasi sulit. You don't have to queue for an hour or more. Pasok lang ng pasok and you can ride as much as you can sa loob ng isang araw. And now, nire-review na lang namin kung ano yung mga hindi pa namin napuntahan bago kami tuluyang umuwi kasi sayang naman, nandito na rin kami. Sorry guys, no photos and videos again.
At this moment, nag-aantay na lang kami para panoorin ang show sa Waterworld. Live stage show to mga guys, kaya kinuhanan ko talaga siya ng maayos, kaya enjoy!
Ayan, nandito kami ngayon sa Waterworld. Panoorin natin. At ito, mabibideo ko ito. Oh, this is our turn. Sana di kami mabasa.
Who's got the ball? Hold it up for me. There we go, hold it up. He's trying to steal my ball. Oh, we may actually need these people. Here, back this. Brothers and sisters! Deacon, we're not your brothers and sisters. Am I right?
Yeah!
Somebody shut him up. Shut up. Now where was I? Oh yes. Desolate children, you poor lost souls on this floating pile of sheet metal. The provider has spoken. He has told me personally. What are you doing with the fish boy? He's not too kind. I don't think he has a kind. Come on, Chuck. Let's fillet the flounder. Hey, how's it go? We need to go. Find me another weapon! You are not going to run my plans for Drumland! You feel that mutated freak! Oh, but I need a weapon!
Hey, Mark, how about this?
That's just you and me now, Mariner! Man versus fish! I'm right here! Come get me!
Galing nito ah.
There's something in this. There's something in there.
Mullen! There's something on your back. What?
Sayang.
You made me crash my seaplane! Nevertheless, I've got your woman. I've killed your friends. Who's gonna stop me now? You? I don't think so. You don't have
civilization will start a new one. The man rules the world.
At dyan nagtatapos ang aming Universal Studios trip. Sulit na sulit kasi halos sasakyan namin lahat. Kami na ang sumuko. It's only 3:30 in the afternoon at okay na kami sa lahat ng ride na nasakyan namin. Ang hindi na lang namin na-try is yung mga hardcore na roller coaster na sinubukan ni Zayen at Joyce. Other than that, nasubukan namin lahat.